All right, guys, so I'm going to give you a very quick but thorough explanation of how the hair and the skin are actually part of our nerves. It is made of the same cellular material, base level cellular material as your brain. So when the sperm enters the egg, becomes like one zygote, right? And then that multiplies into 2 cells, then 4 cells, and the flower of life, and eventually it's a bunch of different cells. Well, those cells need to separate and come to different parts of the bodies. So eventually there's going to be, they're called germ layers. There's this collection of cells with 3 different types of cells. So the first layer right here is the mesoderm. The second layer is the endoderm. The mesoderm becomes your bones and muscles. The endoderm becomes your digestive system. And then, actually I'm gonna switch this around. And then the final one is called the ectoderm, which is your brain and your nerves. And once these layers of cells, they start to take shape into a circle, right? And as it starts taking shape and closing off to become your body, the innermost layer, the ectoderm, which is your nerves, actually gets pinched off, and then it starts to wrap around, and that becomes our skin and our hair, right? So you can see that inside is our brain, then our digestive system, then our muscles, but wrapping around everything is our brain. So our skin is essentially brain cells, all right? This is not just a protective layer protecting our body. This is grabbing onto sunlight and transmitting it into our nerves. Everything on this entire planet is made of light. Everything. Everything was birthed from the sun. Our hair collects cosmic energy and transmits it in through the solar centers in our head, into the soft spots in our head when we were newborn, goes into the pineal gland, gets transmitted, right? The pineal gland extracts what? Melatonin, right? In our skin, there's what? Melanin. So these are similar molecules, these are similar structures that are set up to transmit light through the body. Is that all I have to say? Yeah, get in the sun because our nervous system needs it.